Apache NiFi Online Training. Introduction to Apache NiFi. Apache NiFi is an open-source data integration tool designed to automate the flow of data between systems. It provides a powerful and flexible way to ingest, process, and distribute data across various sources and destinations. Here's a brief overview of its key features and components. Key features. Flow-based programming. NiFi uses a visual interface for designing data flows, allowing users to create and manage data pipelines using a drag-and-drop approach. Data provenance. It offers built-in tracking of data lineage, which helps in auditing and troubleshooting by providing a detailed history of data movement and transformations. Flexible data routing. NiFi supports complex routing, transformation, and mediation of data flows. You can configure different paths based on data content, metadata, or attributes. Scalability. NiFi can scale horizontally by adding more nodes to a cluster, enabling it to handle large volumes of data efficiently. Extensive connectivity. It supports a wide range of processors for connecting to different systems, including databases, file systems, message queues, and web services. Data transformation. NiFi includes processors for transforming data formats, enriching data, and performing various operations like filtering and aggregation. Real-time data processing. It enables real-time data ingestion and processing, which is useful for applications requiring immediate data analysis or action. Security. NiFi offers various security features, including SSL/TLS encryption, user authentication, and access control. Core components. Processor, the fundamental building block in NiFi. Each processor performs a specific function, such as reading from a source, transforming data, or sending data to a destination. Process group, a container for organizing processors and other components. It allows you to group related processors and manage them as a single unit. Flow file represents the data being processed. A flow file consists of the data content and its attributes, which are used to control the flow and transformation of the data. Connection defines the path between processors or process groups. Connections handle the transfer of flow files between different parts of the data flow. Controller service provides shared services for processors, such as database connections or configuration settings, which can be used by multiple processors. Reporting task used for generating metrics and reports about the data flow, helping with monitoring and performance analysis. Data provenance repository stores metadata about data flows, allowing users to trace the path and transformations of flow files through the system. Typical use cases. Data ingestion, collecting data from various sources like logs, sensors, or APIs and preparing it for further processing or storage. Data transformation, converting data formats, filtering out irrelevant information, or enriching data before sending it to downstream systems. Data routing, directing data to different systems based on content or other criteria, such as routing high-priority alerts to a different system than regular logs. Real-time data processing, processing streaming data for immediate analysis or action, such as monitoring and responding to real-time events. Core components and architecture of Apache NiFi. Apache NiFi is a robust data integration tool that helps in the automation of data flow between systems. Its architecture is designed to provide a scalable and flexible approach to managing data pipelines. Here's a breakdown of its core components and architecture. Core components: flow file. Definition: the fundamental data object in NiFi. A flow file represents a piece of data that moves through the system. Components: contains attributes, metadata, and content, actual data. Processor. Definition: the building blocks that perform operations on flow files. Functionality: they read, transform, route, or write data. Examples include processors for data conversion, encryption, or data routing. Connection. Definition: the link between processors that transfers flow files from one processor to another. Functionality includes queuing and prioritization of flow files. Processor group. Definition: a container that groups related processors and connections. Functionality helps in organizing and managing complex data flows. Flow controller. Definition: manages the execution of processors, connections, and their configurations. Functionality handles the scheduling and coordination of data flow. Controller services. Definition: shared services that can be used by processors to provide common functionality. Functionality examples include database connections, distributed cache services, or other shared resources. Reporting task. Definition: tasks that generate and send out reports or metrics about the system's performance. Functionality can be used for logging, monitoring, and alerting. Site-to-site, S2S. Definition: a mechanism for transferring data between NiFi instances. Functionality provides reliable, high-performance data transfer across different NiFi instances. Architecture. Flow-based programming. NiFi is built on the principles of flow-based programming where data flows through various stages, processors, and transformations. User interface. Web-based provides a graphical interface for designing, monitoring, and managing data flows. Functionality allows users to drag and drop processors, configure their properties, and visualize data flows. Data provenance. Definition tracks the origin and movement of flow files through the system. Functionality provides a detailed audit trail, helping in debugging and compliance. Flow file repository. Definition stores metadata about flow files. Functionality provides information about the state and attributes of flow files in the system. Data flow management and design principles in Apache NiFi. Apache NiFi is a robust tool for data flow management and design, focusing on automating and managing the movement of data between systems. Here's an overview of its key principles and features. 1. Data flow design principles. Modularity. Processors. NiFi uses processors to perform tasks such as data ingestion, transformation, routing, and storage. Each processor performs a specific function, making it easy to design and manage complex workflows by chaining processors together. Templates. Workflows can be saved as templates and reused, promoting consistency and reuse. Flexibility. Flow-based programming, NeFE allows you to design data flows visually by dragging and dropping components. This provides a clear overview of data pipelines and helps in troubleshooting and optimizing flows. Dynamic routing. NeFE can route data based on content, attributes, or user-defined rules, allowing for flexible and adaptive data handling. Data provenance. Tracking and auditing. NeFE tracks data flow through its provenance data store, providing a detailed history of each piece of data, including its origin, path, and transformations. This feature is crucial for debugging and compliance. Scalability. Clustered deployment. NeFE supports clustering, allowing you to scale out and manage high volumes of data across multiple nodes. This helps in balancing the load and ensuring high availability. Back pressure and flow control. NeFE uses back pressure mechanisms to handle system load gracefully, ensuring that the system does not become overwhelmed. Security. Data encryption. NeFE supports data encryption both at rest and in transit, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. Access control. Role-based access control, RBAC, and user authentication mechanisms ensure that only authorized users can configure and manage data flows. Extensibility. Custom processors. NeFE allows for the creation of custom processors to handle specific needs or integrate with external systems that are not supported out of the box. Extensions and plugins. You can extend NeFE's functionality using additional libraries or plugins. Two key components of NeFE. Processors perform various actions on data. Example: fetch, transform, route. Examples: get file, put Kafka, extract text. Connections define the path that data takes between processors. Include attributes such as queue size and prioritization. Process groups allow you to group processors and connections into a logical unit, which helps in managing complex workflows. Can be nested to create hierarchical data flows. Controllers manage shared resources such as databases or services that are used by multiple processors. Key features and capabilities of Apache NeFE. 1. Flow-based programming. Graphical interface. NeFE's web-based user interface allows users to design data flows by dragging and dropping components onto a canvas. This visual approach simplifies the creation of complex data pipelines. Flow configuration. Each component, processor, input-output ports, etc., can be configured with properties and relationships that define how data is processed and routed. 2. Data ingestion and distribution. Input sources. NeFE supports a wide range of input sources, including databases, files, message queues, example Kafka, and various protocols, HTTP, FTP, etc. Output destinations. Data can be directed to multiple destinations such as databases, cloud storage, AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, file systems, and more. 3. Data transformation. Built-in processors. NeFE includes a variety of built-in processors for common tasks like filtering, splitting, merging, and aggregating data. Custom processors. Users can create custom processors to handle specific transformation requirements that are not met by existing processors. 4. Scalability. Clustered deployment. NeFi can be deployed in a clustered configuration where multiple NeFi instances work together to handle large volumes of data. This setup allows for load balancing and fault tolerance. Resource management. The system automatically distributes the workload across the cluster nodes, adjusting to varying data volumes and processing needs. 5. Data provenance. Lineage tracking. NeFi maintains detailed records of data movement and transformations, which helps in tracking the history and origin of data. Search and visualization. Users can search for specific data events and visualize data flow paths, aiding in troubleshooting and compliance auditing. 6. Dynamic prioritization. Prioritization strategies. Users can define prioritization rules to ensure that high-priority data is processed first. This can be crucial in scenarios where certain data must be handled with urgency. Back pressure. NeFi can apply back pressure to prevent overloading downstream systems by controlling the rate at which data is sent based on current system capacity. 7. Extensible architecture. Custom processors. NeFi allows developers to create and integrate custom processors to extend its capabilities. This is useful for specialized data processing tasks. Controller services. Reusable components that provide configuration and shared resources for multiple processors, such as database connections or encryption services. 8. User interface. Real-time monitoring. The UI provides real-time metrics on data flow rates, processor performance, and system health, helping users monitor and optimize their data pipelines. Configuration management. Users can modify processor configurations, set up data routing, and manage flow files directly from the web interface. 9. Data security. Encryption. Data can be encrypted in transit using SSL TLS and at rest using built-in encryption mechanisms. Access control. NeFi supports role-based access control, RBAC, allowing administrators to define who can access and modify different components and data flows. Security and compliance in Apache NeFi. Security and compliance in Apache NeFi are critical aspects to ensure data flow processing is secure and meets regulatory standards. Here's a detailed overview of these aspects. Security in Apache NeFi. Authentication and authorization. User authentication. NeFi supports various authentication mechanisms, including Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, LDAP, Kerberos, and OpenID Connect. This ensures only authorized users can access the system. User authorization. NeFi uses role-based access control, RBAC, to define permissions for different user roles. This allows granular control over who can access and perform operations on the data flows. Data encryption. Data at rest. NeFi supports encrypted repositories for data stored on disk, including content, provenance, and flow file repositories. Data in transit. NeFi uses transport layer security, TLS, to encrypt data transmitted between NeFi nodes and between NeFi and external systems. Secure communication. Site-to-site, S2S. Protocol. This protocol ensures secure communication between NEFI instances using mutual TLS authentication. HTTPS. NEFI's web interface and API can be secured using HTTPS. Sensitive data handling. NEFI provides features to securely handle sensitive data such as credentials, including the ability to store sensitive properties in encrypted form. Policy management. NEFI allows administrators to define policies for data flow components, specifying who can read, write, or execute specific flows. Compliance in Apache NEFI. Audit logging. NEFI maintains comprehensive audit logs for actions performed within the system. These logs include details about user actions, data flow changes, and system events, which are essential for compliance and forensic analysis. Data provenance. NEFI's provenance tracking feature records the life cycle of each data packet, including its origin, transformations, and destinations. This capability is crucial for compliance with regulations that require data lineage and traceability. Regulatory compliance. NEFI can be configured to help meet various regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX. By ensuring data security, auditability, and traceability, NEFI supports organizations in adhering to these regulations. Access controls. The RBAC model in NEFI ensures that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data and operations, which is a key requirement for many compliance standards. Data masking and anonymization. NEFI can be configured to perform data masking or anonymization as part of the data flow to protect sensitive information and comply with privacy regulations. Best practices for security and compliance in Apache NEFI. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate potential security risks. Keep NEFI updated. Always use the latest version of NEFI to benefit from security patches and enhancements. Strong authentication mechanisms. Implement strong authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication, MFA, to enhance security. Integration and connectivity options with Apache NEFI. Apache NEFI is a robust and scalable data integration tool that offers extensive integration and connectivity options. These capabilities make it suitable for various data flow automation tasks across different systems and applications. Here are some key integration and connectivity options available with Apache NEFI. 1. Processors for data ingestion and transformation. File-based integration, processors for reading from and writing to local file systems, HDFS, and other distributed file systems. Examples: getFile, putFile, listHDFS, fetchHDFS, putHDFS. Database connectivity, processors for interacting with relational databases using JDBC. Examples: query database table, execute SQL, putSQL. Messaging systems, integration with messaging systems like Apache Kafka, JMS, MQTT, etc. Examples: consume Kafka, publish Kafka, consume JMS, publish JMS. REST APIs and web services, processors for calling REST APIs and web services. Examples: invoke HTTP, handle HTTP request, handle HTTP response. Cloud services, integration with cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Examples: lists 3, fetches 3 object, puts 3 object, AWS S3, get Azure Blob Storage, put Azure Blob Storage, Azure Blob Storage. 2. Custom scripting and extensions. Execute Script Processor allows custom scripting using languages like Groovy, Python, and JavaScript. Execute Stream Command executes external commands and scripts, enabling integration with other systems via command line interfaces. 3. Security and authentication. TLS SSL support for secure communication over HTTPS. Kerberos authentication integration with Kerberos secured environments for secure data access. OAuth 2 and token-based authentication. Processors like Invoke HTTP support OAuth 2 and other token-based authentication mechanisms. 4. Data formats and serialization. JSON, XML, CSV, Avro, and Parquet processors for parsing, transforming, and generating various data formats. Examples: Convert Suntaskl, Convert Record, Put Parquet. 5. Data provenance and monitoring. Provenance tracking, comprehensive data lineage and tracking capabilities to ensure data integrity and compliance. Reporting tasks, integration with monitoring and alerting systems through various reporting tasks. 6. NEFI registry and version control. NEFI registry enables version control and management of data flows, facilitating development, testing, and deployment across environments. Integration with Git. NEFI registry supports integration with Git repositories for source control and collaboration. 7. Integration with other Apache projects. Apache Hadoop, direct integration with HDFS, Hive, HBase, and other Hadoop ecosystem components. Apache Spark, processors for executing Spark jobs and integrating with Spark streaming applications. Apache Kafka, seamless integration with Kafka for real-time data streaming and processing. 8. Side-to-side protocol. NEFI side-to-side allows secure, high-throughput data transfer between NEFI instances, enabling distributed data processing and integration across multiple locations. Performance tuning and optimization in Apache NEFI. Performance tuning and optimization in Apache NEFI involves several strategies and considerations to ensure efficient data flow processing. Here are some key areas to focus on. 1. System resources. CPU. Ensure adequate CPU resources are available. NEFI's data processing can be CPU intensive. Memory. Allocate sufficient memory for the NEFI JVM. Adjust heap size and monitor garbage collection. Disk I/O. Use fast disks, example SSDs, for NEFI repositories, flow file, content, and provenance. Network. Ensure a high-speed network to handle data transfer, especially in cluster setups. 2. NEFI configuration. JVM settings. Optimize JVM settings such as heap size, XMS and XMX, garbage collector settings, and other JVM options. NEFI properties. Adjust NEFI-specific properties in nefi.properties and bootstrap.conf. nefi.flowfile.repository.ockSDB.level0_slowdown_writes_trigger adjust to balance between write speed and stability. nefi.queue.swap.th configure based on system memory to control when flow files are swapped to disk. nefi.flowfile.repository.always.sync considers setting to false for performance at the cost of potential data loss in case of a crash. 3. Flow design. Processor configuration. Adjust scheduling strategy and run duration. Use timer-driven for regular intervals and event-driven for event-based processing. Set appropriate run duration and concurrent tasks for each processor. Connection configuration. Monitor and adjust back pressure settings, object threshold and data size threshold. Use prioritizers to manage queue processing order. Flow optimization. Minimize the use of high-latency processors. Use remote process groups, RPGs, efficiently for distributing data across a cluster. Combine or split processors to balance load and reduce bottlenecks. 4. Data flow strategies. Batch processing. Aggregate small files or records into larger batches to reduce overhead. Parallel processing. Enable parallel processing by configuring concurrent tasks for processors that support it. Data partitioning. Partition data to distribute processing load evenly across the cluster nodes. 5. Monitoring and metrics. nefi UI. Use the nefi user interface to monitor processor and connection status, queue sizes, and data throughput. Reporting tasks. Configure reporting tasks to send metrics to external monitoring systems like Prometheus, Grafana, or Ambari. Logs. Regularly check nefi logs for any errors or warnings that might indicate performance issues. 6. Cluster setup. Node configuration. Ensure nodes in a cluster have similar hardware and configuration to balance load. Data distribution. Use load balancers to distribute data evenly across the cluster nodes. Zookeeper. Configure and monitor Zookeeper for cluster coordination. Case studies and real-world applications of Apache nefi. Case studies and real-world applications of Apache nefi. Apache nefi is a powerful, open-source data integration tool that provides an intuitive, scalable, and secure way to manage and automate data flows between systems. Its real-time data ingestion, transformation, and movement capabilities make it suitable for various use cases across different industries. Below are some case studies and real-world applications of Apache nefi. 1. Health insurance provider. Problem: a health insurance provider needed to improve the integration of data from multiple sources to streamline claims processing and enhance data analytics capabilities. Solution: Apache nefi was used to automate the ingestion of data from various sources, including electronic health records, EHRs, claims systems, and customer databases. nefi's data provenance and tracking features ensure data integrity and compliance with healthcare regulations. Outcome: reduced manual data entry and errors. Improved data quality and consistency. Faster claims processing and better customer service. 2. Retail analytics. Problem: A retail company wanted to analyze customer behavior and sales data in real time to optimize inventory management and personalize marketing efforts. Solution: Apache NeFi was implemented to collect and process data from point-of-sale systems, e-commerce platforms, and customer loyalty programs. NeFi's real-time processing capabilities allowed the company to perform near-instantaneous analysis and make data-driven decisions. Outcome: enhanced inventory management, reducing stockouts and overstock situations. Increased sales through targeted marketing campaigns. Improved customer satisfaction with personalized offers. 3. Financial services. Problem: a financial institution needed to comply with regulatory requirements for data handling and reporting while managing large volumes of transaction data. Solution: Apache NeFi was deployed to collect, process, and transfer data between various internal systems and regulatory bodies. NeFi's security features ensured that sensitive financial data was protected during transfer. Outcome: achieved compliance with regulatory requirements. Streamlined data processing and reporting workflows. Enhanced security and data governance. 4. Smart cities. Problem: a city government aimed to develop a smart city initiative by integrating data from various IoT sensors and systems to improve urban management and services. Solution: Apache NeFi was used to ingest and process data from IoT devices, traffic cameras, and public transportation systems. The data was then analyzed to optimize traffic flow, reduce energy consumption, and improve public safety. Outcome: better traffic management, reducing congestion and travel times. Why choose ProExcellency for Apache NeFi online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Apache NeFi online training offers several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency employs experienced instructors who are experts in Apache NeFi and related technologies. They bring real-world experience to the training sessions. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential aspects of Apache NeFi, from basic concepts to advanced features. This includes installation, configuration, data flow management, and integration with other systems. Hands-on training. ProExcellency emphasizes practical, hands-on learning. You'll get to work on real-world projects and use cases, which helps in understanding the practical applications of Apache NeFi. Flexible schedule. The training sessions are designed to be flexible, accommodating different time zones and schedules. This makes it easier for working professionals to attend the courses. Support and resources. ProExcellency provides extensive support during and after the training. You get access to a wealth of resources, including study materials, practice exercises, and a community forum for discussions. Certification assistance. The training program prepares you for Apache NeFi certification exams. ProExcellency provides guidance and resources to help you pass the certification with confidence. Customized training. If you have specific requirements or are looking for corporate training, ProExcellency can tailor the training program to meet your specific needs. Affordable pricing. The training programs are competitively priced, offering good value for money considering the quality of training and resources provided. Proven track record. ProExcellency has a strong track record of successfully training professionals in various IT and software development fields, including Apache NiFi. Post-training support. After the completion of the training, ProExcellency offers continued support to help you with any challenges you may face while working with Apache NiFi in real-world scenarios. Thank you.